Hello and welcome, this is Andy Wells from Tech Daily, and today we are unboxing the Pixel 9 Pro XL, which is this little baby here. Next to it, for comparison, I have the Pixel 8 Pro, which I've been using for the last year, so we'll do a little bit of a comparison alongside the unboxing as well, so you can really see some of the new features. Let's just go ahead and just rip the band-aid off, almost literally. Take these ones off. This should enable us to just slide the box out. Oh, this is never as easy as I hope it would be. There we go. All right. Even before we pull it completely out of the box, we can already see that this visor style camera is different. So let's just pull it all the way out. Worth noting, in the box we just have the USB cable. You will need the 45 watt power adapter to take advantage of the full fast charging capabilities of the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Right. There it is. In terms of physical size of the phone itself, we're not seeing too much difference at all. In fact, this one here, the new one, is 162.8 millimeters, whereas this one here is 162.6 millimeters high. The width, there's not much in it. 76.6 millimeters wide, 76.5 millimeters wide. What we are seeing here is this one is thinner, 8.5 millimeters versus 8.8 millimeters. I guess if you were to stack them up like that, you might be able to see that there's a difference there. But looking at that now, actually what we do see is we've definitely got a less of a rounded edge on the phone here, whereas what we had with the Pixel 8 Pro, it's just a little more rounded. Again, if we put it, there's not much in it, but you can see the difference in the curve, I suppose. But again, I guess the main difference we're seeing straight out of the box is with the camera here. The design there is clearly quite different. It's just sort of kind of sitting on top instead of really, they've kind of really tried to integrate it with the Pixel 8 Pro. In terms of screen, I've not powered this one on before, so let's see what happens. Well, of course I haven't, I've just opened the box. What we should see here is the display is slightly larger without the actual physical screen size being larger. So with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, we're getting a 6.8 inch display, whereas with the Pixel 8 Pro, it was 6.7 inches, but pretty much within the same physical sized phone. It's already asking to set itself up. I've been told I need to do an update on this new device first. So I'm going to do that before I do any installations and before I really start digging into the review side of things. But that's what it looks like, and that's what's in the box.